Good morning, Young Women's Leadership Academy. This is Miss Burns, your principal. Welcome to the second day of March, everyone. Today is Wednesday, March 2nd, 2022. Everybody, today is also a B day. So after advisory, please be sure you go to your 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th period classes. All right, huge shout out to the students and their families who came back to open house last night. It was great to see everybody. Students, I hope you had a good time showing your families the classes you go to, the rooms you visit, and any projects you might have done. Thank you also to my teachers and staff who got to stay late last night, everybody. I appreciate all the support that you give community, families, and our students even after hours. All right, everybody, these are all the reminders that I have for you. I hope you have a great Wednesday, and I will see you in the hallways.
Attention all 7th and 8th grade kindness crew members. We will be meeting today in the library right after Pledges and Creed. See you then. Students and staff, would you like an opportunity to serve your community, earn house points, and win an advisory class competition? Well, there are 2 ways that you can do so. Help GPISD families over spring break by donating non-perishable food items, macaroni and cheese, canned food, chips, water, ramen noodles, and more. You have until March the 4th to bring your donations to your advisory teacher. You can also help the Kindness Crew by donating to Prairie Paws Adoption Center. They are collecting collars, newspapers, dog treats, cat treats, blankets, and much more. This donation drive has been extended to Friday, March the 4th, so you still have time to win points for your class. The Prairie Paws donation drive and the spring break food drive are 2 separate advisory class competitions, which means that whichever class brings the most donations for Prairie Paws will receive an honorary breakfast, and whichever class brings the most donations for the spring break food drive will also receive an honorary breakfast and incentives. Thank you so much for giving.